Good evening, everybody. My name is Ioannis Valavanis. I'm a computer engineer and have a PhD in computational biology. I was one of the co-founders of e-Nios company. e-Nios company was founded 1 year ago, and it's based here in Athens, in Kalithea. We are actually provide bioinformatics solutions in order to assist biomedical research and biomedical industry partners in order to provide their own solutions in the framework of personalized medicine. That's actually the part of medicine that provides dedicated therapeutic and diagnostic procedures according to one person's genes, actually. I work to e-Nios as Chief Marketing Officer, and I'll be very happy to tell you our story today. So, what's the story about e-Nios? Lately, so much biological, that is molecular data, has been collected. Yet, this data has not actually been exploited, since they turn out to be more complex than expected. So, even the so big data already collected, they have not been exploited enough in order to benefit health. That's actually be used to prevent diseases or provide new therapeutics. So it's now time for bioinformatics part of science, let's say, to actually analyze the whole data in order to provide new solutions. So we actually try to provide solutions to our customers, researchers from biomedical research and industry in order to assist them with our computational workflows to fill this gap from all this data to new cures or disease prevention. As already said, we work in the field of bioinformatics. That's actually the use of computational tools, advanced statistical tools, in order to analyze biological data. This is a very, this is a market that is growing very fast. And we can see here in this diagram that while in 2006, this was a market of about $800 million, it's estimated in 2015 to be a market of global revenue equal to $1.3 billion. We actually intend to target the market in the field of bioinformatics, specific in the field of global diagnostics. Global diagnostics market is estimated to be about $20 billion by 2018. So what we actually do, we actually provide algorithms in order to assist researchers, biomedical researchers, in order that they save time and cost during their research. We're now developing a new computational platform that can assist our customers, that is end users that conduct research in biomedical departments or R&D staff in pharma industry. So we're now developing a new novel computational platform that the user can use in order to submit raw molecular data, that's actually biological data derived from the biological experiment, genetics, proteomics, genomics, etc., along with some demographic data for patients, age, how many were diseased or not. The user can upload their data to our platform. Our platform performs an initial analysis step and then performs to the next step that's actually the most specific and the most important one. The next step actually suggests to the researchers new molecular targets according to the data submitted and their analysis. Our algorithm actually propose new genes or new proteins or new metabolomics that the researchers can use in order to create new diagnostic or therapeutic procedures. We actually provide, in the end, through our platform, what we call a robust and prioritized list of targets that the end user can then use for their research in order to develop a new drug or to develop a new procedure of preventing a disease. There are some other competitors worldwide that provide solutions similar to ours. Ingenuity, NextBio, DNA Nexus, and Binary Technologies, all located in the USA. What is most important for us is that we actually use some more mechanisms in order to reveal new targets that are close to what biologists think. So we actually use the concept of system biology and get more closer to what researchers want to get from the data. So we believe that we are more strong enough than our most competitive company, Ingenuity, in the subject of actually identifying biological mechanisms and then providing new targets, and actually better in providing the prioritized list of targets. We actually provide a shorter and most robust list of molecular targets that the researchers can then use in order to save time and cost from their further work towards a new drug or a new diagnostic procedure. We have already prototyped our software modules. During our previous research from all members of our team, we have used our prototypes, our algorithms, and get some results that we have already published in scientific journals, showing the proof of concept and the right way for our algorithms when they are used. We are now developing the full online computational platform, and more specifically the interface and the friendly whole thing for our customers. Many potential customers have already expressed some interest. These include either research laboratories from Greece or abroad, or some companies doing work in personalized diagnostics, in drug discovery, either in Greece or worldwide. So how we think of getting out to the market? So our company will provide two different projects. These are products described as software as a service. We have two different products. The one will be used as part of the online platform in order to generate a short list of ranked targets. This product will be accessed by our customers when they have done a subscription on a monthly basis or a year basis, with the cost you can see here. And the second product that actually allows the users to have access to the full data analysis workflow. This will be done online, and this product will be purchased on a data volume basis, actually for about 400 euros per sample that the corresponding data is uploaded to our system. The people who are going to actually take decisions on using our platform, who actually are going to sign the contracts, are the heads of research centers, diagnostic centers, hospitals, or the heads of R&D in the pharma industry. The actual end users will be researchers, medical doctors, and people working in the research and development sectors in pharma industry. Our team, I can say that it's actually a multidisciplinary, experienced team composed by 3 members: Aristotelis Hadjoannou, who is currently a research associate professor at the National Hellenic Research Foundation in Greece; me, Ioannis Valavanis, I'm a computer engineer with a strong experience in bioinformatics; and my colleague Eleftherios Pilalis, who's a biochemist and a bioinformatics specialist. We can see also here the supporters for our business, and we estimate that our revenues will be about $11 million by 2019, and the net earnings will be about $8 million euros, sorry, these euros, by 2019. So we intend to have an exit by 2019, where our revenue would be about $12 million. We would like to raise, actually now, 120,000 euros in order to complete our first product and get into this exciting market of bioinformatics. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And I wanted to let you guys know that Ioannis was an incredible student. 2 hours ago, you could not see anything on these slides because there was so much information on every one of them. I think he's done a beautiful job. But how about some questions from the judges? And do please introduce yourselves.
Thank you, Linda, for the whole support on that. Yes, please.
Sure, I'll go first.
Make sure there should be a mic down there.
Good evening. Thank you for the presentation. Maria Lisa Pharmakidis. I've covered technology companies in the past, worked for a startup, and look at investments from time to time. My first question is a very basic one. Can you just tell us a little bit about how your plan is to launch the first product and in which market?
We're planned...
Geography, market.
The market, we intend to target the worldwide market. So it would be an online software that all researchers worldwide can access. Our first initial plans is to collect customers from Greece, the ones we already know, have worked together through projects, then expand to Europe. We also have many previous collaborations with some well-reputed research institutes in Europe, and we also now plan. We are also now working on collaborating with some professors in USA that are actually the very big experts in the whole field that are going to support and promote our business idea through forwarding the links for our websites, for our online platform, etc. So we're planning from starting in Greece, and let's say in Europe, just immediately after Greece, and then worldwide. I believe that since it's an online platform and we have some strong evidence about the proof of concept for our algorithms through publications, scientific journals, etc., the market will be attracted by our algorithms and software. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi. Thanks for the presentation. I was sort of writing down some questions I had, but all of them were answered, especially in the last couple of slides. So that's a great job. Alex Moukas, Velti. I'm a geek by training as well. So a couple of questions. If you had $1 million or €1 million day one, what would you do differently? It's going to be accelerate time to market. It's going to be sort of more software. It's going to be.
For example, if we could make our prototype realized as a demo online in 1 month, this would be the best. For example, if we could hire 10 or 20 people that could actually develop that in the very first month, this would be ideal because these old technologies are quite rapidly growing up. So we have to be the first to get into the market and try to launch our software as soon as possible.
So between, let's say, product 1 and product 2, you pretty much know all the requirements and you're missing, let's say, resources?
Yeah, we have actually prototyped the algorithms. Mm-hmm. We are now missing some resources in order to do some very important marketing actions. For example, go to specific exhibitions, business, biotech exhibitions. There the cost is about 10,000 euros for our person to be there and have about 10 square meters in order to have the visitors there. So this is one resource that we need. And then we will also need to hire some people in order to develop technically, not scientifically, our software, web interfaces, cloud providers, because of course we need access to cloud providers because there are much data collected. Each sample is about 1 gigabyte average, so we also have to collaborate with cloud providers, and this is a very costly expense.
I'm afraid
Thank
that's
you.
going to have to do it for right now, but please, if you have questions, be sure to stick around for afterwards. Thank you so much, Ioannis.
Thank
Great
you.
job.
Thank you.
Okay.